In PC and mobiles, I show you very fast how to join Mr. Beast Gaming Discord server. We will start with PC since we are here. For this case, go to the application with your account started, and after that click on the bottom left button called Discover. Now click on the search box in the upper right corner and type Mr. Beast Gaming. Now click on the server. When you are inside, click on Join at the top. Congratulations, now you are inside the Discord server on PC. For mobiles, we will have to do it differently, because it is very likely that you do not see this option to discover in any section, neither on the web nor in the app, which is why to facilitate access, I will put an invitation link to the Discord server in the description of this video. Just click on it, and with it, you enter the server. Please give a like this video, comment, and subscribe. Until the